Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we'll go over the push notification in relation to your client's order or transactional push notification. As for the transactional emails, this notification can't be disabled, but you can edit the content. Let's see how to do that. Go to the menu Settings, Push Template. Here you'll find the list of all the transactional push notifications. Order confirmation, automatically sent to client upon payment, order processed, automatically sent to client when the order is processed, order cancelled, automatically sent to the client when the order is cancelled. To edit the content of a notification, simply click on the corresponding line. You'll then access the editing field. Depending on the notification chosen, several tokens will be available in the box on the right. Tokens allow recovering of the necessary information to render your notification more dynamic. For example, the client's name or order number. So let's edit the text while being careful not to change the syntax of the added token. Save and it's done. You now know how to manage the push notification of your shop. See you soon for another tutorial.